Hey guys, so quick little video today because I had a short one over the weekend. I was at the junkyard. I was looking for a GM 8.5, which you can see right here. At least I'm pretty sure it's an 8.5. I'm about to go see a friend of mine to make sure it's an 8.5. I realized that it's not a C-clip axle. It's actually a closed bolt. I'm pretty sure it's actually a bolt-in axle. So today what I want to do is I just want to show you guys how to get one of those axles out because it took forever for me to figure out how to do it. And the best I could find was a 10-year-old video. Easiest way to see if you have a C-clip axle or a bolt axle is to look at the axle itself. Now, as you can see, there's little holes right here, and right here. If it's a C-clip axle, it will not have these holes, and the reason why is because of this. Now, as you can see right here, I already took the lugs off, but there's gonna be a little bolt right here. Now, with these bolts, if you turn the axle, you should be able to fit right through to touch the bolt. This is so you can fit a socket wrench to get these off. Now there's 4 of these, you're gonna get that one off, the one over here, and the one back here off. So the first thing you gotta do is take those off. Okay, so now that you've gotten those out, the next part of the job is actually taking the axle out. Now, if you pull on it, you can see that it doesn't wanna go anywhere. All right, and this is obviously because in the case that one of the nuts fall off, they want the axle to stay in. So what you're gonna need is you're gonna need a slide hammer like this. Now, I rented this from AutoZone. You can rent it for free. You gotta do a down payment of 80 bucks. You use it, you take it back, and then they give you your $80 back. I have an easy way of lining up the slide hammer. What I do is I grab a car jack, I set the handle on top, I bring it closer, and then I line up the slide hammer to go on the bolts. Then you screw on the lug nuts right afterwards. Now, a smart move would be to bring the ones that you saw at the junkyard that were on this. I did not because there were no tires on it, so the lugs were already gone. So what I had to do is I had to go to AutoZone and buy some new ones. Depending on the car, they can be really easy or really hard to find. These ones are a little bit harder to find. The thread was 7/16 and 20, something like that. They were a little harder to find, but I was eventually able to find them at AutoZone, which helped a bunch. What you're gonna do is you're gonna use the slide hammer to keep hitting it until it comes out, like so. And there it is, it's out. Then you undo everything you just did. And just slide the axle out. And that's all there really is to it. You know, I hope you guys enjoyed. I had a lot of trouble finding this stuff myself, so I decided to make a video on it. Please remember to like and subscribe. Occasionally I'll do how-tos, also just do top 10s about cars and that kind of stuff. And thank you all for watching. You guys have a great day. Peace.